G'day team, welcome back to another video. So we are continuing on with our financial modelling. So today we're going to look at home loans. So another type of loan that you'll hopefully come across in your life. I mean, hopefully not, hopefully you've got enough money to buy a home outright, but the majority of us people, we're going to have to take out a home loan or a mortgage loan to afford buying a house. So these loans are often large sums of money, often $100,000 up to $600,000, and they're repaid over 20 to 30 years most of the time. All right. So home loans can have one of two different rates. So they can have a fixed rate. So this is where the interest rate does not change. Okay. And then the variable rate, which the interest rate may vary and payments must increase or decrease accordingly. So that means if the interest rate actually goes up, then the repayments must increase with that interest rate. But if they decrease, then your payments actually decrease as well. So it's a bit of risk and reward. You can't actually predict if your interest rates will go up or down. So it can be quite tricky to navigate that variable rate. So just to show you how this is calculated, we're going to do a quick little example together. All right. And then you guys are off doing your questions. So a $140,000 loan is negotiated over 25 years with 5.6% per annum fixed interest compounded monthly. Right, the key here is that fixed interest. That means that interest rate isn't changing over the 25 years. And the question is asking us to calculate the monthly repayments. So hopefully you are all over your calculator using by now. So Casios will look like this. I'm sure Texas Instruments are exactly the same. So our N is 25 times by 12, 25 years, 12 months. Interest rate percentage is 5.6. Now, with loans, this is where it sort of differs from straight compound interest and superannuation calculations. So our PV is the amount of the loan positive, okay? Now, we're trying to find our monthly repayments, so PMT, and we actually want a final value of $0 because we don't want to owe any more money. All right, PY and CY are your compounding periods per year, so 12 and 12. Put it into the calculator, your PMT will spit out approximately negative 868.11, and this means the monthly repayment is $868.11. All right, now another type of question they'll ask involved with these questions, all right, they keep building on one another, find the interest paid, okay? So hopefully you remember total interest equals total repayment, take away the principal. Now, total repayment is the monthly repayments by how many installments you paid. Now, 25 times 12 is 300, and our monthly repayment is 868.11. And then we're taking away how much the loan was initially, which is 140,000. So we have 260,433, take away 140,000. Which is about $120,433, which is kind of crazy to think about because that's nearly as much as the loan was. So you've nearly paid double what the loan actually was. And this is actually quite a realistic model, okay? So something that will occur in real life once you start paying a mortgage. So with this, I hope you guys go through, have a crack at these questions here, get your head around it. There are a few tricky little sticky bits that they'll throw at you. Make sure you're just reading the questions properly and working your way through. We'll catch you guys in the next video.